I am at a waterfall called Harvalem. Let's go and check. This is the path. It's a steep path. I can already hear water falling.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so beautiful place. I don't know if you can see. We will have a look. There's something about waterfalls. First of all, it's very beautiful. Second of all, the water is more when it rains. And fortunately, this is rainy season. I'm here in September. Let's have a look. Unfortunately, there's a lot of trash in here. Look at that. I'm sorry about the trash. That's how we look in here. Whoa. Sorry about all the trash in here, but look at that. Look at that waterfall. Water falling all the way up to the ground. This is the closest you can get to a waterfall because they have these rails around this. This is just a beautiful place. Let's go down more. Can you believe the water that comes down this fast calms down this quick? Wow. Let's go down this way. Look at that view. Let's see. Some corn. Some corn getting roasted, some sweets. It seems like a temple. Yes, it is a temple, which I will definitely visit. Caution. Wow, look at that view. The water calms down here. So hello guys, here I am in another island which is just far away from that island. Maybe so this is towards that waterfall. Beautiful waterfall. Ooh, it's cold. It's the first time I'm seeing waterfalls creating waves. Wow. So hello guys, I'm here at a waterfall in Goa called Neturlim Waterfalls. I just showed you how beautiful it is. Let me show you again. You can have a wee swim there, but I don't have a pair of clothes. It's very beautiful here too.